Hey everyone, welcome back to another reaction video. Today we're reacting to one of my favorite shows now. Hero Elementary. Came out in 2020, June. When I had my spasm and it was not good. Of course it wasn't. Okay guys, I still have my Tourette's, but guess what? I'm getting them healed now. Oh, well, Grandma says God is gonna... And he is. The real God. Jesus. Okay, guys. Video's starting on in 3, 2, 1, click.
School had just started, and even though it was a hot day, our class
That's Lucina Sky. Oh.
What's wrong, Burbler?
I saw this before. It's guess what, guys? It's a girl. Oh! Yeah, it is.
more like explosive sneeze.
Explosive sneeze-itis? Well, it's a super hamster, and I don't know how they got those powers. Sure wish I had superpowers. I can transform into a car.
By a plant.
Wait! Stop! Back in a sec! Wait! Will this work?
I don't think so, but Burbler needs
A special kind of plant that can stop it. Well, that makes a great snack.
Looks like this one makes a good snack, though. Will this grab it? Still good?
Okay.
what the plant looks like.
Well, then
Here's the picture of it.
an unexpected feature happens. Look, guys. This is the unexpected feature. Yeah, that was totally unexpected. It got cut away by that fan.
We don't know anything about the plant Burbler is.
Know one thing about it.
Stop projecting. No one has a flower.
Kylan! Just to watch ya.
Flower? And then no more sneezing.
Then no more sneezing. All you need to do is just sniff it. How about you eat it? It'll get super healthy. Well, that's not how this was made.
Super plants. I bet we can find the plant we need there.
Well, I saw this before, guys, but I don't want to spoil anything. I'm sure you guys watched this before.
That flower. The sooner you stop sneezing.
Great idea.
Hero Word of Honor. What? Okay, guys. Let's see here.
Find the flower with the power to cure explosive sneeze.
Will that work, guys? Leave it in the comments below. And see if you can find out while watching this.
I don't get why they call this a greenhouse. It's made of clear grass.
Well, the plant's in armor.
Because the sun can punch through. The sun can punch through. Not again. Cannot hug a little pet too hard. Their flesh, because they have insides that are soft. Even we do. We're soft on the inside and sometimes hard on the outside.
Right.
Okay.
Let's spread out and look for a plant with a flower.
Flower.
No flower. No flower.
No flower. I see a flower. See, I found flowers too.
Those are not the plant they're looking for. We can see some clues on what they're looking for.
How are we gonna know which one choose?
Well, there are many different kinds of plants there. Actually, yes, there are. And some are exactly different.
Start to notice differences. See? Leaves.
Thick leaves.
And look.
There ain't no thick leaves.
Chica? Any luck at the greenhouse?
Not yet. Can you tell us anything else about the plants we need for brew work?
Actually, yes. I've gathered up all the little pieces of paper, and it looks like the plant has purple leaves.
That's a great clue. Gracias, Mr. Sparks.
De nada. Good luck. Now, let's see if
Don't you know that he's Spanish, guys? Okay.
Flower and purple leaves.
And purple leaves? Not again.
Come on!
Who knows what could happen?
You okay, furry, blurry, worry? Wow! I've never seen plants like these before.
These are all super plants. I've read lots of comic book adventures with super plants. Super plants? Maybe that's what we need. A super plant
That's what he said.
for our super pet.
Well, that is a super duper speedy pet. If I had super speed, I could be faster than that.
And a flower.
Let's observe and compare. Come on!
Everything pick up 2,000 miles an hour.
Nice flower.
1,000 miles per
The leaves
hour.
aren't purple.
No, these are these.
Leaves, but
No
no
flower.
This one has purple leaves and flowers.
Well, that's not the one you're looking for. It had some,
Does have purple leaves.
but it's bigger.
Flowers. It checks out. Give it a sniff, Burbler.
Nope.
Let's see if it stops your sneezing.
Not again. This is like the 5th time or 6th time she sneezed.
So, guess that wasn't the right plant then.
Ew.
Mr. Sparks, it's me again.
It's with a green stem.
putting together the pieces of the plant picture. Soon, we'll know what it looks like.
Great, because we need more information.
Well, I can tell you one thing. The color of the flower is yellow. Look, I'll show you. I don't know. Oh.
Oh, well, at least we know the flower's color.
Dang.
That's helpful. Thanks, Mr. Sparks.
And a green stem.
It's a good thing I like puzzles.
Yeah, great.
Over what we know. Thought projecting. The plant has purple leaves
Oh,
and a
okay.
flower that's yellow.
Flower that's yellow. How do you
What to
think?
do. Observe and compare. I'm on it.
Did you guys see the full play on Picture Race?
Yellow flower, but not purple leaves.
Purple leaves, but not a yellow flower. This tree has purple leaves. No flowers.
No flowers at all. That's a super sticky.
Help!
That's a plant sticky.
Let go, you sticky old super plant.
It sure is.
I'll get her.
I think they found a plant.
Stretch, burbler. Almost. Almost. Oh no.
Not again. By like the 7th. She's stuck on the roof.
Gotcha.
To the rescue! Nice!
You okay, girl? That's a relief. But we still need to find the right plant to stop her sneezing.
Maybe we already have.
Stop us.
See, this plant has yellow flowers.
Yeah.
And-
But it has those purple cup thingies.
That's
Right.
it.
It doesn't have purple leaves.
Or does it?
It is leaves.
Look,
That cup is a leaf. Just a curled up leaf.
this could be the right plant.
Only one way to be sure. Not
Into the
again.
flower. didn't sneeze. AJ,
It
you must have
worked.
found
I
the
mean,
right
it
plant.
worked.
Finally.
Yay, AJ! Yay, all of them!
Good news, crew. I finally put all the pieces of the picture back together.
Mr. Sparks?
And I taped them in place so they won't come apart again.
Mr. Sparks.
And now we finally know. The plant you need looks like this.
We know. AJ already found it.
You did?
Yeah, see?
Well, that's great. How did you figure out which plant it was?
AJ observed and compared. He's got an eye for noticing differences.
Make that 2 eyes.
I'm just glad the flower worked. And Burbler isn't sneezing anymore. Yeah, she seems all better.
Yeah, no black eyes and no superly overly pink nose.
Cool, little buddy.
Dark pink blue or pink circle or circle pink circle pink circle a dark pink circle nose. Oh dang! Don't tell me you got the sniffles. Hero Elementary. There's Sarah. There's Lucia. That's AJ. That's Sarah. That's Benny. That was all of them. And Furbler too. Portfolio. Okay, guys, that was my reaction to Hero Elementary. Well, I didn't make the first episode of it. I just reviewed the second one. No? Okay, guys, you can see I'm gonna make my next Sonic EXE versus Sonic video episode 8 later, or I already have episode 7. I'll make episode 7 or 8, guys. And guys, see you guys later in the next video. I'll make a part 2 later on. See ya.